In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Klaviyo in Volusion. By the end, you'll have your Volusion store connected to Klaviyo so you can sync customer and order data, send targeted emails, and build more effective automations. Start inside your Klaviyo dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the correct account and have the right permissions to add integrations. If you manage multiple brands or workspaces, confirm you're in the one tied to your Volusion store to avoid connecting the wrong site. On the lower left of the Klaviyo interface, click Integrations. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see the full menu. This page is where all connections are managed and where you can add new ones. Next, choose Explore Apps. This opens Klaviyo's marketplace, which is the easiest way to find and install official connectors. The marketplace provides details on what data syncs, what's required, and any scopes or permissions you'll approve. Use the search bar and type Volusion. You should see the Volusion app appear. Selecting the official listing ensures you get the most reliable sync and the latest updates supported by Klaviyo. Click the Volusion tile to open its detail page. Take a moment to review the description so you know exactly which events and objects are included, such as profiles, orders, and site activity. If you manage compliance, this is also a good place to note what permissions you're granting. Once the page loads, click Install. Klaviyo will guide you through the install flow. If you're prompted to confirm the account or workspace, double-check that it matches your live Volusion store. After the installer finishes loading, you'll see the connection form. Here, fill in the required fields to link Volusion with Klaviyo. Typically, you'll provide your Volusion store URL and authorized API credentials that have the proper read and write access needed for syncing profiles and orders. Use secure, dedicated integration credentials rather than personal logins and keep them private. Enter URLs with the correct protocol, usually HTTPS, and avoid trailing slashes or typos. Copy and paste credentials carefully to prevent hidden spaces. If there's an option to test the connection, run it now so you can catch formatting or permission issues immediately. When everything looks good, confirm and save. After connecting, the initial sync may take a little time depending on your store size. In Klaviyo, you'll begin to see data populate under Profiles, Metrics, or in the Integration Status panel. If the Install button was unavailable earlier, you likely needed higher permissions. Ask an account admin to grant access. If the app didn't appear in search, clear filters or refresh the marketplace page. That's it. You've integrated Klaviyo with Volusion, and you're ready to build segments, flows, and campaigns powered by your store data.